This is Yakima's 2445 HoldUp Platform Style hitch-mounted bike carrier. The HoldUp is compatible with 1¼ inch receiver only and carries up to 2 bikes. In the upcoming video, we'll demonstrate how to set up, install, and operate the HoldUp Bike Rack. When you purchase your Yakima HoldUp, it pretty much comes pre-assembled. To start, take the base of the hitch rack and insert it into your receiver hitch. The holes on the base must align with the holes on your receiver hitch. When the holes are aligned, take the hitch bolt and apply the provided lock washer, and then insert the bolt from right to left, and thread it by hand as much as possible. This will help prevent the possibility of cross-threading your hitch bolt. Then fully tighten the hitch bolt with Yakima's provided wrench, or if you prefer, you can use your own wrench from home. Once you have your hitch bolt fastened, take the safety clip and insert it into the groove on the end of your hitch bolt. Then install the Yakima HitchLock, which will lock your bike rack to your vehicle. Now we're going to show how to install the bike tray to the HoldUp base. Start by rotating the base unit in the up position by pulling out on the spring pin and lifting up on the base unit until it snaps into place. The bike trays come with the fasteners already installed into the trays. You'll have to start by removing all of the fasteners before attaching the trays to the base unit. Start by attaching the lower tray first and make sure the wheel strap is to your right and the pivot arm is to your left. Insert the tray into the bottom bracket and align the holes in the tray to be centered in the slots on the base bracket. When you install the fasteners, be sure to place the lock washers and washers onto the bolt and then tighten the bolts by hand to help prevent cross-threading your bolts. The base bracket has a slot that will allow you to adjust each tray independently from left to right. It's a nice feature to help avoid bike-to-bike interference. Once you have the 4 bolts hand tightened, use the provided Allen wrench to fully secure the bike tray. And repeat this procedure when installing the second bike tray, but be sure to have the second bike tray facing the opposite way. The Yakima HoldUp can be compacted within seconds after being used. Simply fold both wheel trays onto the base, fasten the hooks behind the rear wheel cradles, and fold the bike rack up to the back of your vehicle. When the HoldUp is in the down position with the bikes removed, it will provide full hatch clearance. If you go one notch further in the down position, this will help when loading your bikes. Now we're going to demonstrate a bike being loaded. When loading your bike, be sure to load the heaviest bike first. Start by unfolding the front wheel tray and rotating the pivot arm in front of the front wheel tray. Then release the rear wheel strap and tuck it away so that it doesn't interfere with placing your tire in the cradle. Once you have your bike placed in the wheel cradles, rotate the pivot arm up and compress the ratcheting hook about 1 inch from your forks or brakes. Then pull out the integrated cable lock and wrap it around your bike's frame and insert the pin from the pivot arm into the hole at the end of the locking cable, then lock it. This will lock your bike to your rack system. Once you have the front wheel secured and bike locked, fasten the rear wheel strap and use the ratcheting tab to tighten the hold. And this is Yakima's 2445 HoldUp Platform Style hitch-mounted bike rack.